Today is September 13th, 2023. The basil plant is thriving. And this is the Kuri squash. They're still putting out nice fruits. See, quite a few of them. There's one more here. And there are a few ripening on the other side. And some of the beans, these were the beans that bush beans that I chopped up after they had a severe spider mite infestation, and they have put out new leaves. See a lot of new growth. See here, and I see some new growth here as well, and nice lush new growth on this. There you go. And the spider mites look a lot better after I cut all the diseased leaves. I still continue to prune, but the new leaves are just back to its normal state, and the weather has started to cool, so that's helping as well. The cucumber vines are doing fantastic. They continue to put out 2 or 3 cucumbers each day. I have about 6 vines here, and I planted them in April, and they're still going strong, and it's already September. So today the new plants that went in are the cauliflower transplants. These are the Snow King 50-day maturity variety. Nice mature plants. I got these as transplants from the store, so I just popped them in. Yeah, that's what is going on in this bed. And I had planted some variety of squash. I don't recall. I think it was the Italian cucuzza squash, I believe. That's slowly taking off. I don't know if it will have enough time to produce fruit. So the Kuri squash was literally taking over that space, so I had to prune it back. Hopefully with some extra light, it's gonna take off and do well. So that's this bed. Oh yeah, over here, so I have these pretty Japanese yellow lemonade, apricot lemonade. No, this is just the lemonade cosmos from Baker's Creek. And I have some amazing Armenian cucumbers growing there. So there's one there ready for harvest, and there's one more here in the back. They're pretty productive. And in these containers here I have the Thai long eggplant, and this one is the Ichiban. Yeah, they're all perking up and doing great overall.